No peeking. Oh, quit your whining.
Convergence is at its peak.
No piquing.
Progress peaked with frozen pizza.
Consider my interest piqued.
Today's English on the Go lesson, pique, peak and peak. Pique, peak and peak are homophones, words that sound the same, are spelt differently and have different meanings. To peek can mean to take a quick look. He had a peek at his birthday cake when no one was around. A common term is sneak peek. That means to take a quick look secretly. Peak means the highest point. We reached the mountain peak after 3 days of climbing. As a verb, peak means to reach the highest point. The musician's popularity peaked in the 1970s. Peaky is an adjective. It can mean unwell or poorly. I'm feeling a bit peaky today. I'm going to go home and rest. To pique can mean to create interest. We're discussing confusing words like pique and peak. Have I piqued your interest in this topic yet? Pique has two E's, like two eyes, so peak has to do with looking. Peak has an A in it, like the peak of a mountain, so peak is used to talk about the highest point. Peak has an I in the word, just like the word interest, so peak is used to talk about creating interest.